Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Dzine AI and Openart AI. Dzine AI is an all-in-one creative platform designed for simplicity and ease of use. It combines image generation, video creation, and editing tools in one place, making it a good option for beginners and casual creators. You can generate images for text, edit visuals, match colors and faces, and even create basic videos without needing advanced skills. One of its biggest advantages is its user-friendly interface and daily free credits, which makes it easy to start without spending money. It's mainly focused on quick design tasks like social media posts, marketing visuals, and simple creative projects. However, it is not as advanced when it comes to professional workflows or deep customization. On the other hand, Openart AI is a more advanced and flexible creative platform. It gives you access to a wide range of AI models, allowing you to create images in many different styles. It also includes features like in-painting, out-painting, image editing, upscaling, and video generation. Openart feels more like a complete creative workspace with tools for consistent characters, better control, and detailed customization. This makes it a strong choice for designers, marketers, and content creators who want higher quality and more professional results. Overall, in 2026, Dzine AI is best for beginners who want a simple, easy to use for quick designs and everyday creative work. Openart AI is ideal for users who want more control, advanced features, and a powerful platform for serious projects. For most users, Openart AI offers the most value in 2026 because of its flexibility and creative power, while Dzine AI is better if you prefer something simple and beginner-friendly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.